guys, how you all doing today? Welcome back to Come Cook With Us, hosting AA. Today, this morning I'll be preparing lamb kidneys. We all need an extra bit of iron in our daily meal, right? So today, as an iron boost, I'll be preparing kidneys, lamb kidneys. Right, let me draw your attention over to this side where I'll be showing you the chopped fresh ingredients that I'll be adding today. We have here chopped sweet pepper, bell peppers, chopped onions, chopped green chilies, chopped tomatoes. So that's what I'll be adding. Let me now show you the main ingredient, which is the lamb kidneys. I've already washed and seasoned because I know I'll be cooking this morning for myself and hubby. So this is the chopped lamb kidneys, okay, and lightly seasoned. Right, now I'd like to draw your attention over back to the heated pot, preheated pot. As you know guys, I like to preheat my pot. Just a splash, only to have the kidneys moving around and not burnt or sticking in the pot. So just a splash. I know I go by not cooking with oil, but certain dishes I did mention that, and that I'll be just using a little bit of oil. Also, for those who cook with oil, may like to try it this way instead of actually overdoing it with oil. Just a splash, okay? And I will say that will be about a half a tablespoon, 1 teaspoon. Turn the flames a little bit higher. Just give that a little swirl. And now I'm ready to add my pre-seasoned lamb kidneys. If the fire is too low, just turn it a little bit higher and just give that a little stir. This is just a portion size for myself and hubby. Guys, starting to seal. This dish don't normally take that long to cook, but just make sure it's sealed properly so that it's edible. And I love that the kidneys are holding together, they're not crumbling apart. So just take your time and just stir so that it gets sealed. So anyone with a bit of iron deficiency, this will be very helpful. Eating kidneys or liver. And once you know how to season it well, it will be quite delicious. I know it's just looking at it doesn't seem quite any liking to the taste buds, but like I said, once you know how to season it well, it's quite tasty. I'm just making sure everything's sealed. See, there's still a bit of blood there, and that one right there. You can see it, guys. Still a bit of blood right there. So just flip that one over if you can. So, playing around with me. There you go. Turn the flames down a little, medium to low. Trying to seal, make sure it's all sealed. Seems as if everything's quite sealed at this moment in time. So now I'd like to add the fresh ingredients. There we go, coming together. Guys, now as I can see that everybody looks quite sealed, I can add the fresh ingredients. Like to first sprinkle the chopped onions. Next I'll be adding the sweet peppers, bell peppers. Chopped tomato. Chopped green chilies. Give your hands a quick wash and then stir. Turn the flames down a little. How does that look, guys? Looks even more delicious and it's not even finished. Also, what I would like to add is a bit of garlic and a bit of dried thyme. And then I'll finish up with the preparation. Sprinkle on some dried thyme. Doesn't have to be neat, just small chopped pieces of garlic. That's just for added health benefits and extra flavor. Give it another quick stir. Once you're cooking this, guys, you'll start to smell the aroma of it. And you think, are you sure this is kidney? Smells so gorgeous. Another thing I'd like to add, guys, is just a little bit of powder seasoning. Because in the beginning, remember I mentioned that I only lightly season, only to preserve the meat. So we have a teaspoon here. Two teaspoons of all-purpose seasoning. Two teaspoons of chicken seasoning. And this is also 2 teaspoons. Let's make it 3. 3 teaspoons of Maggi liquid seasoning. Give that another quick stir. And now I'd like to add water base so that it can simmer. I'm adding hot water from the kettle. I would say about 3/4 of a cup of water. Turn the flames back up a little. Okay, we're just gonna pop the lid on and leave it to simmer. So, just want to say, guys, thank you for always tuning in, and I'll be back shortly to show you the finishing. See you shortly, guys. Hey guys, welcome back. Just wanted to show you the finishing touches to the dish. Also, may I just add that whilst I was away leaving it to simmer, because I allowed it to simmer in just the water to make its own sauce at first, and then I also added 2 teaspoons of browning food coloring, okay? 2 teaspoons of browning food coloring, just to show you there, just to give it a rich, vibrant color. Let me just pop the lid off, give it a quick stir for you guys. There we go. Everything looks beautiful, rich and beautiful. Okay. So just to also show you guys, I've actually decided to boil some potato and green veg to eat with this dish. There's the potato I'm about to just drain the water off. So let me do that quickly, guys, and I'll be right back. There we go. Potato and some sugar snap peas right there, and just some broccoli, right? Let me plate everything up and show you what it looks like on the dish. And now, add in the kidneys. Get that quick clean. Don't like a messy plate. Voila. What do you guys think? And that's what I'll be having for morning breakfast. I know it looks like more of a meal, but to be honest, just for extra iron, beautiful guys, beautiful. With some sugar snap peas. Delicious guys, delicious. Here you go guys, try this dish, let me know what you all think. Preparation, depending on the amount of meat that you have there, also depends on the amount of seasoning. So just to let you guys know, if it's too salty, just add a bit more water, fresh water, and that will dilute anything that's salty. But this is prepared beautifully, well done, and everything is perfectly seasoned. Okay, so that's what I'll be having for breakfast this morning. Thank you guys for watching, and always remember to love one another. Stay blessed guys, have a wonderful morning.